Hey everyone, and welcome back to Best Tendency. If you're anything like me, you know the struggle of finding the perfect pair of swimming goggles. Whether you're a seasoned swimmer, hitting the pool for fitness, or just love a good dip in the ocean, having reliable goggles is a game changer. No more blurry vision, no more annoying fog, and definitely no more raccoon eyes. Today, we're diving deep into the world of swimming goggles to bring you our top 3 picks for top-selling products right now. We've tested countless pairs to find the absolute best, catering to different needs and budgets. So, whether you're looking for the ultimate performance, a touch of luxury, or fantastic value, we've got you covered. Let's jump in. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and purchase link in the description below. First up, we have our pick for the best overall performance, the Xioner G1 Polarized Swim Goggles. Now, these aren't your average goggles. The first thing you'll notice is the polarized lenses. If you've ever been bothered by glare, especially when swimming outdoors or in brightly lit pools, polarization is your new best friend. It cuts down on that harsh reflected light, giving you crystal clear vision above and below the surface. But it's not just about the polarization. The Xioner G1 also boasts excellent anti-fog technology. We've all been there, mid-swim, and suddenly your vision is completely obscured. Thankfully, these goggles are designed to stay fog-free, letting you focus on your stroke and your surroundings. And for those sunny days, you'll appreciate the anti-UV protection, safeguarding your eyes from harmful rays. The design also focuses on a wide view, allowing for better peripheral vision. This is crucial for safety in crowded pools or open water swimming. Plus, the comfortable silicone seals ensure a no-leak fit, so you can say goodbye to constant adjustments. These are great for both men and women, and whether you're a beginner just getting into swimming or a seasoned triathlon competitor, the Xioner G1 offers a fantastic blend of features and performance. We've seen countless positive swimming goggles reviews praising their clarity and comfort. While some users might find the initial fit a tad snug, the overall consensus points to these being a top-tier choice. If you're serious about your swimming and want the best possible vision and protection, the Xioner G1 Polarized Swim Goggles are definitely worth considering. Next on our list is our pick for the best premium feel, the Win.Max Polarized Swimming Goggles. Stepping up in terms of materials and design, the Windmax offers a touch of luxury and exceptional comfort. Similar to our top pick, these also feature polarized lenses, providing that crucial glare reduction for a more enjoyable swim. Where the Windmax shines is in its build quality and the overall feel. Often crafted with softer, more flexible silicone, they tend to sit incredibly comfortably on the face for extended periods. This makes them ideal for longer swims, whether you're training for a competition or enjoying a leisurely swim in open water. Like the Xioner G1, they come equipped with anti-fog and anti-UV protection, ensuring clear and safe vision. The design often emphasizes a sleek and hydrodynamic profile, which some swimmers prefer for minimizing drag. Looking at best swimming goggles reviews, users often highlight the comfortable fit and the premium materials used in the Windmax goggles. They're a fantastic option for adults looking for a high-quality pair that feels great even after hours in the water. While they might come with a slightly higher price tag compared to other options, the investment in comfort and durability is often well worth it for those who prioritize a more premium experience. If you're looking for a pair of polarized swimming goggles that feels as good as they perform, the Win.Max Polarized Swimming Goggles are a strong contender. Last but certainly not least, we have our choice for the best affordable option, a fantastic contender from Rantisen, simply known as their swim goggles. If you're looking for a reliable and effective pair of anti-fog swimming goggles without breaking the bank, these are definitely worth checking out. Don't let the affordable price fool you. The Rantisen swim goggles still pack in essential features like anti-UV protection and a clear vision lens. They're designed with a wide view, giving you good awareness of your surroundings in the pool. The silicone seals are designed to provide a no-leaking experience, which is a must-have for any decent pair of goggles. These are also a great option for unisex use and are perfect for everyday swimming at the pool. While they might not have the same level of advanced features as our top 2 picks like specialized polarization, the Rantisen goggles excel at the basics. They provide clear, fog-free vision and a comfortable fit, making them ideal for beginners or anyone who needs a reliable pair of pool accessories without spending a fortune. We've seen positive feedback from users who appreciate the great value these goggles offer. Of course, at this price point, the materials might not feel as luxurious as our premium pick, but for the majority of swimmers, the Rantisen Swim Goggles offer an excellent balance of performance and affordability. You might even consider these as a great backup pair. So there you have it, our top 3 picks for the best swimming goggles right now. If you're after the best overall performance with fantastic clarity and glare reduction, the Xioner G1 Polarized Swim Goggles are our top recommendation. For those who prioritize a premium feel and ultimate comfort, the Win.Max Polarized Swimming Goggles won't disappoint. And if you're looking for a reliable and effective option without breaking the bank, the Rantisen Swim Goggles offer incredible value. Ultimately, the best choice for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. Consider how often you swim, the conditions you typically swim in indoor versus outdoor, and what features are most important to you. We'll leave links to all 3 of these goggles in the description below, so you can check them out for yourselves. We hope this roundup review was helpful in your search for the perfect pair of swimming goggles. Let us know in the comments below which pair caught your eye, or if you have any other favorite best diving goggles or anti-fog swimming goggles we should check out. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, and subscribe to our channel for more gear reviews and swimming tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.